Arriving now is the 1340 Southern service to West Croydon. Leading the way is 377406. And I shall get the rear when it leaves. Next train to pass by will be a Southern 377 bound for London Victoria. (377-612). As here we have departing now the 1340 Southern service to West Croydon. On the rear is 377466. Oh wait. (377-451) bound for Reigate. The next train to pass by will be a Southern 377 bound for London Victoria. (377-401). The next train to pass by will be a Southern service. Nice toot from the driver. (377-162) and (377-135) bound for Littlehampton. Arriving now is the 1350 Southern service to London Victoria. Leading the way is 377-325. And on the rear is 377-618. Departing now is the 1350 Southern service to London Victoria.
There is 377-618.
Arriving now is 377-429, working your 1352 service, I think it is, Southern service to London Bridge. On the rear is 377-424. Okay, departing now is the 1352 Southern service to London Bridge. Oh wait, here we have a Southern service passing by bound for Victoria. (377-152) and (377-403). Whoa. 387-126 and 387-212 bound for Orr. That was a fantastic toot from the driver. Next train to pass by will be a pair of Southern 377s bound for Victoria. (377-155 and 377-142). next train to pass by will be a GBRF 66 going to whatever the fuck. But anyways, nice toot from the driver, 66772. Damn, that was fantastic. Driving now is a pair of SWR 458s. Leading the way is 458 403. And on the rear is 458 416. This is working your service to Weybridge. Departing now is 378 something bound for Stratford. Oh, it's 378 230.
Racing this.
Departing now is 458 416, working your service to Weybridge. And over here we have a Gatwick Express service passing by, bound for Brighton, I think it is. I couldn't get the front unit of that, but the rear is. Oh, I couldn't get the rear unit either, damn it. Arriving now is 378 138 terminating here. Next train to pass by will be a pair of SWR 444s. Leading the way is 444032. And on the rear is 444028 bound for Portsmouth Harbour. Arriving now is a pair of SWR class 450s bound for London Victoria. I mean Waterloo. Anyways, leading the way is 450 069. Parting now is this pair of SWR 450s bound for Waterloo. On the rear is 450024. And here we have... Oh my goodness me, what an amazing tune. 455708. On the rear is 455860. I think this might be doing the London Waterloo loop. Parting now is 455860, working your service to Teddington actually. And I'll keep filming as here we have, a pair of 444s passing by bound for Weymouth. But here we also have 701037 working your 1440 SWR service to Windsor and Eton Riverside. Nice whistle from the driver there. Oh my days, bro, I need to catch my breath. Fucking hell. Okay, departing now is 701037 bound for Windsor and Eton Riverside. And here we have a pair of 450s going to somewhere. Okay, yeah, it is going to Waterloo. But on the rear is 450083. And on the front is 450101. Oh, and we also have a 444 bound for London Waterloo. On the rear of this is 444018. I could not get the front of that. Oh, here we have some not in service 455s. Oh, never mind, it is in service. And departing now is a 377 bound for Victoria. This is 377.
139 for one.
I think it's 139. Next train to pass by will be a pair of South Western Railway 444s. And here we have 701017 bound for Windsor and Eton Riverside. And here we have a trio of 159s bound for Waterloo. And here we have a pair of SWR 455s bound for Guildford. Damn, that was a lot. There was a lot happening. Arriving now is a pair of SWR class 455s bound for London Waterloo. Leading the way is 455727. And on the rear is 465864, 455864. Why did I say 465? Departing now is this pair of South Western Railway 455s bound for London Waterloo. here we have 450-088 and 450-126 bound for London Waterloo, passing through here.
Saturday 1st and Sunday 2nd February. Wimbledon and Raspberry.
Here we have 450-112 and 450-082 bound for London Waterloo. Okay, arriving now is 458413, working your 1547 Southwestern Railway service to London Waterloo with 458423 on the rear. 423, bro. Departing now is the 1547 Southwestern Railway service to London Waterloo.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say
Next train to pass by will be a pair of SWR 455s. (455-920) and 455-866 bound for London Waterloo. And I'll keep filming as here we have another SWR train passing by.
Southwestern Railway service to Teddington has been cancelled. This is the
450-118 bound for Portsmouth and Southsea. The next train to pass by will be a pair of SWR class 450s, 455s. (455-731) and 455-707, and here we have 450-077 and 450-002 bound for London Waterloo. Okay, the next train to pass by will be another pair of SWR 455s. I couldn't get the front unit, but 702 was on the rear of this.